Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. My people, this Lolo and Monica issue, how we go do am? Two best friends, maybe say they can't just separate overnight, like seriously. Two best friends. I be say friendship before quarrel be the day, but this one will be say many talk can't just they come out. The thing just can't it shockalize me because as a married woman, the kind talk when they come out for on mat, like seriously, like really, that is the thing. It shockalize me, my people. As in, what it can just the happen like. What you can just happen with 12 and just call this go on herself. This one, now this one can say na Isha now. Now this one can say na Benin now. Maybe they join together. This one say maybe Isha join together. Like everybody now one. Isha and Benin, all of us will be the same, will be one. We don't separate each other for now. Where all those kind because all those quarrel can't dey now. Isha can't take you home. Benin can't take you home. Again, you can't be like say we they separate everything, my people. As in when I just see what it just the happen now, the thing just tire me really. The thing just shockalize me, my people. Okay, this quarrel now, as in I bet you say if two people they quarrel, the third party could come quench the fire. But you can't be like say the third party self one who can increase the fire. The thing you can't tire me, my people. Okay, Monica come out. That Monica and I felt talk. Monica say na so Lolo, all those things Lolo they tell us na lie. Na so all those are word where Lolo saying they carry. He say na bekus na Lolo they carry am. The thing can't like the thing can't shockalize me again. He say na so Lolo they sleep around. Na so this, na so that. So na Lolo can finally come out today now. Lolo can't talk you because ever since come be like saying I indirect Lolo they talk, you know. I know they join this one, I know they join this one because the two of them know what they see where they want separate friendship that they quarrel. Yeah, quarrel the day. They are on a 10 years relationship, 10 good years. That's what they take play. Shall not be more, shall not be friendship of 1 year. Say they can't quarrel. No, 10 good years, my people. The thing it shockalized me. I love their friendship before. The thing can't just tire me. Okay. Monica say Lolo they sleep around. Lolo come out today and Lolo say na Monica and they sleep around. So who can't believe they can't even they measure that man name. Say Papa Waila they I say no, I'm not sure. This man. I they look that man like very responsible man, The thing come like the thing come shockalize me again. Say Monica will be married woman. Where they always they advise people, make they not even go sleep around, make they not do this. So now Monica will go to sleep with different men. Now say maybe not because of quarrel they make two of them they do all those things, but they be married women. They know the reason why their husband go they think. With their husband, even though say your husband not they talk, but for all those kind many talk we come full everywhere now. The poor man will come out, he will come the verse. Yeah. Now when I follow on a maid they house. You know if you tell me say your husband not go see this kind of thing and be no verse. You go the reason I say I be all those time when they tell me say you they travel, I been wait you they read go they do. They don't they trust me. I finish. Go this thing I go the reason and now. Quarrel just happen. Two of them just can't turn a cat and rat for Facebook. Different talk. Different talk. So say waiting your part nobody did there. You say now so your part the jogo do you that time. Monica that is the thing could just tire me. Two best friends. This one a devil walk, I be waiting. Me, I not gonna know what I want to call this one. My people. It never just warrant this kind of thing at all. You just gonna be like say the 12 una just gonna fool myself for Facebook, for YouTube. Now una can't just be talk of the town. It doesn't call for all those things. Like seriously. I just see the thing in. It just tire me really. The thing is just tire me, my people. When I come just see the one Lolo call you do today again, I say, oh, it has busted again. Oh, so say Lolo say na so if Monica the jogo do your husband, and so Monica they send the husband John Thomas come they give him. Monica say, until when you go bring all those things come out before she go talk again. Monica say, Lolo say everything dey with her. Who know whether na truth? Nobody did there. Eh? The thing just tire me really. He never even reach all those things. All those quarrel never warrant all those talk. Eh? And they even they expect say 12 na go even do am in a matured way. Where be say nobody go even hear am. The next una no you do am like that again. Una just follow everybody and many talk, many talk. We're not supposed to come out all come they come out. Me we take am busy now, my people. Many talk. Different talk. Different talk. Eh? They are zolo where we be not even know about now. When I begin the zolo or come out, when I begin they bring or come out. He never reach all those ones now. Eh? Can the two married women, let's assume, say Monica, Lolo really sleep around, and you can cover her. You too, what you do, you not do away. Because as a married woman, you're not supposed to sleep around again. It's a taboo for where me come for. It's a taboo. And then you, Lolo, will say you be Asian woman. You say you dey cover for them when they sleep around, when Monica they sleep around. You say you dey cover for them. You don't want to talk. The same thing, who turn on with Monica or we move away. Because how you not go talk, say your friend, they sleep around. You're not doing away, my dear. You're not the helper. Because not taboo for where, even for Isha land, for Edo, not taboo. He not suppose. Me you as a married woman, your friend, as I be now, my friend got tell me say he want cheat on the husband. Me can't really agree. When I did not say me a married woman too. Let me say now the same thing way she they do, let me they do. Yeah. Let me make her feel cover for her. So that she will see cover for me. So that so the two of them issue just be so, my dear. So we're not going to fool us. You understand? Because you cover for her, she cover for you. That's so it can't be now. Yeah. That's so it be now. Because you know if you tell me say you can't okay, where you can't day when Monica can't they cheat on the husband, but on 12 and they always they travel. Okay, where you can't they city room they wait for them. Another one not there with you for there too. What tell me no lie or say what getting them in no ring give you or say even what ya tired now not be doing until they talk. Eh? I don't just understand. Small quarrel just happen. The YouTube just carry fire. Facebook carry fire. Different. Hey. Two best friends. Who go tell me say Lolo and Monica man fit follow herself like this? Who go tell me? Say two of them go fit do this kind of thing. But when I tell they advise people, now two of them can just do this kind of thing. Does it mean so una not go come play again? Now I be waiting. Hi, una fuck up, una fall our hand. For this one, una just do so. Eh? Una just fall our hand. Eh? Which eye una say make people take look una na? Which eye? Which eye una say make people take look una na? For what two of una just fool una self. For una fans. So say Lolo go bring Monica a video when they take drink and bring her come out. What you can warrant to all those things. So say you get now, so you get all the men John Thomas when he sleep with. All those ones. You're not even supposed to even they talk all those things. So you want to bring all the I never see where married woman for where before come. A married woman go the jogo with your husband. You can't send your husband John Thomas go give a friend. Me I never heard that before. This is the first time they hear that kind of thing. There is no army with friend go play rich. I will come play rich. I will come tell and say see my husband John Thomas. Now that one I bet more reason that thing now my people. That one makes sense. No, for that one I believe say now quarrel make you talk that one Lolo. It's not done anywhere. Me I never heard that kind of thing before. Say your own husband, you can't show your friend. is John Thomas. I never hear that once. I did maybe na old video or na dream. That kind of thing for happen. For real life, when me dey, that kind of thing no fit happen, my people. I never heard that kind of thing before. Two of una went too far. The two of una went too far. And like as you come out, Monica, you apologize to your fans, you apologize to people where you don't insult, and Lolo still apologize to people, you know. But two of una faces settle tomorrow. All those kind of quarrel now will come full everywhere now for social media. Now, how if two of una concept una no say two of una na una two of una fool una self. Not be say joke. Not be say joke. The two of una fool una self, not be small one. Really. No matter how when I tie, una no just do well at all. Una just fall una fans, una fall their hands. What is the which quarrel una don't quarrel where be say two of una just can't begin to talk different things when never supposed to talk. Eh? Can a married women go they see where world where they come out for 12 on a mat? Say this one sleep around, the other one sleep around. A married women where they put money. I bet they not put money for their head. I bet they not get tradition for one for come. No tradition. Where people now begin to talk, different things for maths. Now so he sleep with this one. Now so this one sleep with a dope boy. Now so this one sleep with a Kevin. Now so this one sleep with Israel. Now so this one sleep with him. Like seriously? Yeah. So now go they call married man name. When no, he's off a day with his wife. That man, as that man wife, you're beautiful, rich. You won't say no. Now Monica wants to go do with. Like seriously. I beg. If na single girl you dey even talk na say joke that way, you know be say a married woman when you know say na taboo, that man know the man a married man, you can't go sleep with another married woman. Lie. It's not done. I don't believe that one. You fit talk the rest, but that man not be say I know the man, or the man not be my friend, I don't know the man before, but I only see him. But say you can't go, I don't believe that one. If you be say na you go daughter, maybe you're the reason or that thing or your own. But say a married man and the married woman go sleep. No. It's not done. It's not done. The guy be my people. The thing just tire me for 12 now. The thing tire me for now really. My people, this video I don't want me too long. So I want just do this video reach today. So thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time. And remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And anything you think about this video, just leave your comment for the comment section. So we'll go from there. And if you like this video, give the video a thumbs up. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye.